and Planning Commission Deputy Chairperson and the Aland Congress MLA B.R. Patil has dropped a bombshell as he expressed displeasure against his own party, which is in power in the state, alleging that the houses under Rajiv Gandhi Housing Corporation Limited are being allotted to those who paid bribes. Yes, that's right. This is a huge admission of graft coming in, and this is from none other than Congress's own MLA. In fact, we have accessed the viral audio clip in which Congress MLA can be heard hitting out at Zamir Ahmed, minister's PA, says if he opens his mouth, the government will shake. MLA alleges that people paying bribes and getting houses allotted under Rajiv Gandhi Housing Corporation. In fact, he said that the allegation is that houses in Rajiv Gandhi Corporation were allotted only to those who paid a bribe. Watch this.
आप गलत मत समझो, ताज्जुब की बात है। हाँ। राजीव गांधी हाउसिंग कॉर्पोरेशन में जो लोग जाके पैसा देते हैं उनको घर मिला है।
सब ये लास्ट टाइम आप बोले थे। सुनिए एक रिक्वेस्ट है,
ये हो रहा है क्या, धंधा हो रहा है क्या?
ऐसा है तो सब आप ऐसा है तो दीजिए। मैं लास्ट टाइम आपको बताया एक्शन विल टेक एक्शन सर इमीडिएटली। वी हैव नॉट डन लाइक दैट सर। आई मीन इफ दे हैव डन लाइक दैट वी विल सेंड देम बिहाइंड बार सर।
भाई मैं अपने सरकार को ऊपर मैं इल्जाम कैसे लगाता हूँ? मैं जो तजुर्बा आया है, जो पैसा दिए उसको घर मिला है।
नहीं सर, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता सर, क्योंकि घर ही नहीं है तो देंगे कहाँ से सर?
अब कितने घर दिए हम?
सर हम लोगों को लास्ट ईयर में जो सर कुछ 10 या 12 हजार घर जब लास्ट टाइम दिए थे सर, जो एमएलए से मिनिस्टर साहब ने जो रिक्वेस्ट किया, दिस इज 2 years बैक व्हेन द न्यू गवर्नमेंट केम इनटू पावर सर। नाउ वी हैव आस्क्ड फॉर अबाउट 43,000 हाउसेस जो लैप्स हो गए, हमको वापस दो बल्कि हम लोग पूछे हैं सर।
मेरा सुनिए, किसी को बोला नहीं, जो मेरा लेटर भेजा था वो नहीं हुआ। वही लेटर ग्राम पंचायत के चेयरमैन मेरे पास से लेके गए, वो पैसा दे के लेके आए घर में। अब हमारी इज्जत क्या रहेगा
सर? वो दीजिए सर, कौन सा है? मैं किसी को नहीं बोला, बट आई विल टेक एक्शन सर, लेट मी नो सर। अब वो कैंसिल करके आप ही देंगे, ऐसा किया है आई विल हैंग दैट फेलो हु हैज डन इट सर 100%।
हैंग नहीं, एक आदमी नहीं, बहुत लोगों को हैंग करना पड़ता।
आप दो ना, आप मुझे दो सर, एटलीस्ट विल सी व्हाट हैज हैपेंड सर। आप थोड़ा मुझे प्लीज दीजिए सर।
टेक एग्जांपल दंगापुर जरेजे ग्राम पंचायत।
हाँ सर।
एंड कड़गंजी एग्जांपल।
कड़गंजी गंगापुर, ओके सर।
कड़गंजी
चेक करता हूं सर, अभी चेक करके बताऊं कहाँ।
हित्तल शिरूर
कड़गंजी, कड़गंजी, ओके। हाँ
हित्तल शिरूर, हित्तल शिरूर,
ओके सर।
दंगापुर।
हाँ सर, गंगापुर नोट किया सर। मैं चेक करके आपको वापस फोन करता हूँ।
क्या चेक करते? मेरा तजुर्बा है, मैं हमारे मिनिस्टर, हमारे पार्टी की सरकार के ऊपर मैं इल्जाम है।
सर मेरा जो सर, बिकॉज सर लेट मी चेक एंड गेट बैक, बिकॉज
ये पैसा खाने का देने का एविडेंस तो मिलता नहीं। पैसे जो लेके गया, जो दिया
नहीं सर, इसमें तो जरूर मिलेगा सर एविडेंस। मैं चेक करता हूँ, चेक करके बोलता हूँ सर मैं।
अब मेरे बगल में अफजलपुर कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में कितने मकाने पैसा लेके गए?
मैं चेक करता हूँ सर, मुझे क्योंकि अब ये जो आप बता रहे हैं, वांट टू जस्ट गेट इनटू दिस सर, हु हैज डन इट, लेट मी चेक सर। क्योंकि हमारे पास
राजीव गांधी हाउसिंग कॉर्पोरेशन
बोल रहे हैं। नहीं सर, राजीव गांधी कॉर्पोरेशन से ही चेक करता हूँ सर, मैं उन्हीं से चेक करता हूँ सर।
मैं चेक करके दूं?
प्लीज दो सर, मैं इमीडिएटली आई टेक एक्शन। वो जो भी घर है मैं आपको सैंक्शन कराऊंगा 100% सर।
राजू
सुनिए,
हाँ
मुन्नल्ली 200 मकान।
तो सर मुन्नल्ली हाँ।
दरगाह शिरूर 100 मकान।
दरगाह शिरूर हाँ
100 मकान।
ओके।
गंगापुर बी.आर. अम्बेडकर 200 मकान।
ओके सर।
कवलगा बी.आर. अम्बेडकर
में कितने सर?
कवलगा में 200। माडाल।
Well, let me go across to Imran Khan, who's joining us from Bengaluru. Imran, this is huge. Congress's own MLA coming out and saying, if I open my mouth, everything will shake, saying that there is rampant graft. And he's just listed out a few of them. As many as 200 homes in every area that he's mentioned, he alleges, have been bought. There were bribes which were given. Is this Karnataka's Khatakhat model? Imran, you must tell us. What has Zamir Ahmed said? Any kind of reaction coming in from him or the Congress Sarkar of Siddaramaiah?
Well, the Congress government has not spoken about it, but B.R. Patil is a very senior leader, very close confidant of the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, and also is a Planning Commission chairman and State Planning Commission chairman, and his allegations are that he will expose and he will shake the government if the corruption, if he start exposing. And he confronts the personal secretary of Minister Zamir Ahmed Khan over this issue, and he gives out details of list of houses where bribes have been paid to get these houses, and he says that when panchayat presidents and others are being their recommendations are being taken seriously, why is this his recommendation to give houses to the poor and needy are being ignored? And that's what he charges at the state government over this. And this viral video has gone viral, and after this video there's been complete incommunicado by the minister over this particular incident. We will wait for to try and get a response from him, but we have to wait and see what he has to say about this stinging expose by one of the top minister in the current Congress government.
Absolutely right. B.R. Patil is no ordinary Congress worker. He's one of the oldest, one of the biggest veterans of Karnataka Congress. He's part of the Planning Commission. A charge like this being made by B.R. Patil is not likely to be unsubstantiated. He's in fact given a whole list of villages and areas where he says as many as 200 odd plots and 200 odd houses have been bought via bribes. Listen into that entire conversation so that you can hear how what we are looking at is not just the Khatakhat model of bribery's admission by a Congress MLA, but also how there seems to be rift within the grand old party. Watch this.
मैं मुंह खोले तो सरकार हिलेगा, 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 मैं मुंह खोले तो सरकार हिलेगा.
Let me go across to Imran. Imran, मैं मुंह खोले तो सरकार हिलेगा. What is the impact, the significance of these words in the larger factionalism fights that we've seen within the Congress in Karnataka?
Well, he's talking about the larger conspiracy, or I beg your pardon, corruption happening in the housing department. He says that if he opens his mouth, the entire can of worms will open and it will embarrass the government. And this is a very, very strong and stinging remark coming from a senior leader and someone who is a cabinet minister of the current government and very close to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. And he says that there is a rampant corruption in the housing department, and he goes on to say that if he opens his mouth, all this will shake up the government there. So very strong words coming from a senior minister there about this corruption in the housing scam. And in fact, he goes on to describe how money being paid, bribes are being paid for this, the houses to be given to the deserving people, and these houses which was meant for the needy will be converted into a bribe and scam. This is coming at a time when yesterday itself the government increase the housing percentage from 10 to 15 for the deserving minorities community. But now the minister says it is not being done like that. In fact, it is being used as one of the corruption vehicle by the housing minister, right. And he makes a stinging claims and also gives out details about houses being sold in his constituency.
Well, Imran, do stay on with us. Well, many would wonder, this is a viral video. Can we vouch for its authenticity? Well, we can't independently vouch for this authenticity, but Imran Khan has spoken to Mr. Patil himself and asked him a straight question. Is that your voice? Watch how this confirmation of authenticity comes in from the Congress MLA indeed, who says, yes, it was me who said, "Main muh kholega to sarkar hilega."
I have spoken to Sarfaraj. Whatever the viral has taken, it is my voice only. I have spoken to Sarfaraj. Whatever the viral has taken, it is my voice only. I have spoken to Sarfaraj. Whatever the viral has taken, it is my voice only. I have spoken to Sarfaraj.
Let me go across to Imran. Imran, after this, there is no doubt when you have B.R. Patil himself on Times Now, admitting that yes, indeed, it was his voice. He was the one making charges. It's going to be harder for the Siddaramaiah government to dodge this bullet because this one is something which has come from within their own camp. The longer they are silent on this, doesn't this imply that silence may be due to any kind of collusion?
Well, absolutely. I mean, in fact, not just any minister or a person who's come from the top echelons of the Congress party. This senior B.R. Patil is a very senior minister. In fact, he is also had raised this issue with the High Command. And now he says that in an audio which has gone viral. In fact, he confirms that it's his own voice and he spoke to Sarfraz about it, confirming that there is a huge housing scam going on where the houses meant for the needy, which just yesterday itself, Congress decided to increase from 10 to 15%. Now there has been a scam there in all these houses where money is being collected to allot houses, is what the minister has alleged, and this is a very serious allegation. And he confirms that also his voice. Now the opposition is targeting the government, saying they're demanding investigation into this entire scam, and they want the minister of the housing minister to respond to all these allegations.
Well, in fact, do stay on with us immediately. Of course, this is an opportunity for the BJP on a silver platter. They've always said that Congress Sarkara is turning Karnataka into a personal ATM. Listen in to BJP's Ashok Gowda. The first reaction coming in.
Karnataka's MLA, very close aide of Siddaramaiah, says if he opens his mouth, the government is going to crumple down. What does this mean? This means that from top to bottom, that is from Siddaramaiah till all the MLAs and party workers of Congress party are involved in scams and scams and scams. We have not just seen one or two scams. It was not Valmiki scam, Muda scam, now Lokayukta scam. There is housing scam. You name the department, there is a scam. You name the department, there is a loot. All this is going and making Karnataka as bankrupt. They are taking money on the one side, they are borrowing the money on the other side, and supplying all this Karnataka's resources to its high command, and as well as the party leaders of Congress party are enjoying. What are the people are getting? Nothing. So this is the question what B.R. Patil has asked, and B.R. Patil is right in asking that definitely Congress party needs to answer their own MLA's question which they have raised.
Well, there you have it. The BJP attacking the Congress party over this admission, as they call it, of a housing scam where bribes are being given in order to get Sarkari houses. In fact, listen in. It's very important that you listen in to Mr. B.R. Patil. He's a Congress MLA. He's part of the Planning Commission. He's someone who's known to be one of the biggest, oldest veterans of the Congress party in Karnataka. He himself says that "Main muh kholu to sarkar hilega." In fact, watch this for yourself.
मैं मुंह खोले तो सरकार हिलेगा. मैं मुंह खोले तो सरकार हिलेगा. मैं मुंह खोले तो सरकार हिलेगा.
And with that, we are going to be slipping into a short break. This continues to be the top story right here on Times Now. Remember, you have an admission of Khatakhat graft, that too from within the own party of Siddaramaiah Sarkara.